Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Chuck E. Cheese's, the really cool place to be a kid. We're glad you're here, and we want you to have fun. And now, here he is, the host with the most, Chuck E. Cheese.
Hey, thanks a lot. I used to think maybe you love me, now maybe I'm sure. Positive. And I just can't wait till the day when you knock on my door. Maybe you're knocking right now. Now every time I go for the mailbox, I hold myself down. 'Cause I just can't wait till you're right when you're coming around. Oh yeah, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, and don't it feel good? Hey, all right now, and don't it feel good? I used to think maybe you love me, I know that it's true. Yes, I do. I don't wanna spend my whole life just waiting for you. No. I don't want you back for the weekend, not back for a day. No, no, no. I said, baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay. Oh yeah, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, and don't it feel good? All right now, and don't it feel good? Oh yeah, and don't it feel good? Oh yeah. Walking on sunshine. Walking on sunshine. I feel alive, I feel love, I feel love that's really real. I feel alive, I feel love, I feel love that's really real. I'm on sunshine, baby. Oh, yeah, I'm on sunshine, baby. Oh, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, and don't it feel good? All right now, and don't it feel good? I say it again now, and don't it feel good? Oh yeah, and don't it feel good? Hey, thanks a lot. Welcome to my show, everyone. I'm glad you're here.
Hey, Chucky, sorry to interrupt, but is it time for the polka minute yet?
The polka minute? What is he talking about, Chucky? Well, I promised Pasquale that I'd give him a chance to play one of his favorite polkas.
Does it involve food in any way?
No, but it does involve a lively accordion.
Ooh, that sounds really exciting, Pasquale.
Yeah, it's really exciting. Except it's not quite time yet, Pasquale.
Oh, sorry. I guess I'm just a little excited.
You? Excited? Oh, get out of town. All right, guys, take it easy.
Well, if it's not time for Pasquale's song, what time is it?
It's time for dancing. Dancing in the streets.
Oh,
right.
Yeah, I love that.
Hey,
Hey, my favorite.
Dancing in Chicago.
Is it a time to polka yet?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, it's never time to polka.
Good one, Jasper.
Okay, Pasquale.
Oh, goody. I'd better go and get ready.
Yeah, me too. All right. Hey, kids, the band and I are taking a quick break. See you in a minute. Adios.
Bye.
We'll
See
see
you
you in just a
later.
little bit.